I changed out all the locks. I'm actually moving into this new house. So all the locks were the round golden colors. I changed all of them out. This is also black. I just didn't peel it off yet. It comes with this. You can lock it from inside. It opens easily. I got these so my kids won't open the closet doors. And you can use anything just to open that up. But for kids, it's amazing. I put them on all my doors. They feel good. They're durable. There's no lag. There's no play. And yeah, just an amazing product.
This is the review for the matte black door handles. I really like the modern design. The installation was pretty simple, can be installed left or right. I do feel the quality could have been better. If you're not careful, you can actually scuff the paint. And I really had slight issues installing these screws on the side. One screw goes in here, which is easy to do. The other one, you need to lift the handle and you'll be able to access that screw. That's slightly difficult, but still works. You'll be able to install. Just be careful with the paint in case you're trying to screw it might scuff.
It's nice. I like the sleek matte look and feel to it. The only thing that I do not like is on the outside or exterior door. All you have to do is just literally stick a coin right here or your fingernail and push in and pop. No privacy. But other than that, it serves its purpose.
This is the products that I got in this package. Are you kidding me? This is crap. Absolute crap. I haven't even opened the other 6, but I opened the first 2 and it's just junk.